Beleza! I'm here on Copacabana beach in Rio, and do you want to get to know Buzios and Arraial de Cabo? Then come with me on this trip because I'm going there right now. Say hi, Cristobal.
Hi.
That's my friend Cristobal.
Say hi, Vicky.
Hi.
So I'm going in a car that fits 7 passengers and the driver. This is, in my view, the best way to go for your private group. You don't have to wait then for a big bus to go around to several hotels to pick up passengers, which can make you lose up to an hour and a half before you even get on the road to go to Buzios or Arraial. We arrived in Buzios, took 2.5 hours from Rio. Now we arrived in the center of Buzios. Here in the center is where the boats leave from. Also you have a lot of cool restaurants, you have some nightclubs here, a lot of activity here. You can rent a buggy, you can do several things here in the center. Got hungry and I'm gonna have a typical buffet that they serve a lot here in Buzios. Really delicious and full of different things. Let's check it out. From this pier over here, a lot of boats leave, where you can take the boat trip there to pass by all the beautiful beaches here in Buzios. You have 23 beaches here in Buzios. So here is Boulevard Brigitte Bardot. Buzios became very famous internationally after the actors visited here in 1964. So Buzios, so much to do here. Shopping, buggy riding, boat rides, swimming, snorkeling. Did I forget anything? And the night here in Buzios has a lot of life. Today's boat tour I'm doing with the boat operator here in Buzios called Libertas. Libertas, they have different types of boats. Faster boats, they have a really cool catamaran. It's gonna be really fun to go with them. Here's today's boat. Fast, intimate, fun. We're gonna stop at 4 different beaches, 4-hour trip. Returning here to the dock in Buzios, that was so much fun. So beautiful, the beaches. People were swimming, having fun, going crazy. So the bus ride was 1 hour and 20 minutes. And now I'm gonna go on the boat ride with this company right here, Piratas do Caribe. Going now to the dock here in Arraial de Cabo, and we're gonna take the boat from there and visit some of the most beautiful beaches in Brazil. Wow, check out the sand on this beach. It's like walking on pure silk. So that's it, Buzios and Arraial do Cabo, two of my absolute favorite places here in Rio, and I tell you, haven't you visited yet? Do it. Oh yeah, almost forgot, beleza!